Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you three amazing airdrops. So let's begin. Let's begin the video. Let's move on to our Telegram channel. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel, then please join our Telegram channel. The name of my Telegram channel is Hidden Airdrop Finder. I will provide the link in the description of this channel. In this channel I provide all the daily airdrops, best airdrops. So please must join this Telegram channel so that you will be able to see a lot of good airdrops and join them and earn hundreds of dollars every month. So this is what you will make you earn huge. So this is the first airdrop, zero protocol airdrop. It will give $20 200 zero tokens airdrop. It seems to be a good airdrop. It's a BSC network airdrop and a potential project, so you must join this. Let's just click on this link. Okay, so I just click start. First you will see like start option, so click on start, then you will get option like this, join airdrop. Click on join airdrop, then it will show submit. Click on submit my details, then you have to join their Telegram chat. Click on chat and click done. After you join this, click done. Then you need to submit your Twitter profile. So just copy this profile link, then paste it here, and after pasting you need to clear somewhat of this link, clear up to the slash. So after you clear, then after the slash you need to enter your Twitter username, which you can get from your Twitter account profile. So this is my Twitter username, as you can see. So click on submit. Then you have to submit your BB20 Binance Smart Chain address, which you will get from Trust Wallet. So open Trust Wallet right now, then open Smart Chain, search for Smart Chain here. This is Smart Chain. Click on it, click on copy, then go back to the bot and paste it here and submit it as well. Now click on this airdrop, join this group and click on done. You also need to follow their Twitter, so click on Twitter. Click on follow. I am already following it, and then scroll down and search for their airdrop of zero swap. So this is zero swap. Click on like and retweet it, and also you can like and retweet this first post. So after you like and retweet their zero protocol airdrop of this Twitter account, then click on yes, like and retweet. This is you have already completed or your task now, so you can share it with your friends and earn extra tokens. So friends, if you haven't joined this, please join now, because it seems to be a good project. It may go good profit if it becomes legit. So now scroll up, and this is our second airdrop. It is fish airdrop. So it can give you $150 or more worth tokens. So click on this airdrop bot, then you will see something like so let's just scroll up. You will click on start. After you click on start, you will see something like this. Then you need to click on join airdrop. After you click on join airdrop, you need to join these Telegram groups, these both Telegram group and channel. Then follow fish swap on Twitter and retweet the pinned post. After you do this, you need to tweet your opinion about fish swap using the hashtags this. So I hope you already know the first two tasks how to do them, because you have previous videos where I showed you this already. So now for doing the third task, let's move on to our Twitter app or Twitter account. This is our Twitter account, and now just open your Twitter account. Click on top left 3 bars and click on your profile image. Now just you need to click on this button now, this button plus blue button. So after you click this, you need to just write anything about this project and mention it with hashtag fish swap app. Just copy this and paste it here. Then you again need to copy this hashtag BSC and paste it here, or you can directly write it as well. Now you need to write about anything about this project, anything that this project is amazing, and write some more, and then click on tweet. After you tweet this, you will just don't need to do anything. After you tweet this, you have done the task. Now I have already done this task, that's why I'm not showing. Now just scroll down. You need to click you need to just skip this task, as this is optional. You need to skip this because this will require for some investment, and we know that we don't want to do any investment, so please don't do any investment in this. Just join for free, just join. So now you need to skip this task, last third task, skip this. Click on this join promoter channel, join this, and click on follow our promoter's Twitter account and retweet the airdrop tweet. So click on follow. I'm already following it. Just scroll down, and this is fish swap. So fish swap post, just like and retweet this as well. Now go back to the now just click on registration option. Then it will show something like this. So you need to verify this captcha as well. Just search for this icon here and click on that icon. Then it will give you tasks to do. Then you need to type your email address, type it. Then you need to submit your Binance Smart Chain address, which you will get from Trust Wallet. Then you need to it will ask you for your Twitter profile link, which you can get easily after copying this. And after you copy this, you can paste it on the box. And then after you paste, you just need to type your email address, your Twitter username. So like this, as your Twitter username, for example, if your Twitter username is others p80, so then you need to write https colon double hashtags twitter.com colon hashtag and twitter.com then slash and your username. Then you just need to enter your retweet link, which you will get from which you just retweeted right now. So just open your Twitter app or account, click on top left 3 bars, click on your Twitter profile, then just scroll down and search for the fish airdrop. When did you retweet that? This is fish swap airdrop. I retweeted this, so you need to click on the share button, then click on copy link, and after you copy link, you need to submit this in the bot. After you submit this in the bot, then it will ask for if you perform tweet your opinion about fish swap task. Click the I have joined button. So you need to click I have joined button. Then you need to submit your link. So just go back to the Twitter profile, then scroll down, and this is our Twitter. This is our tweet which we used with hashtag. So for this task, you need to search for the tweet which you did along with the hashtag and your comment. So just click on this share button, then click on copy link, and go back to the bot and submit it as well. Then just scroll down. Then I have did some mistakes over here, so I'm just directing you to that task. So it will show something like this. Next option will be like this: if you have performed use fish swap exchange task. Now you just need to skip because we didn't did this because it requires investment. So click skip the optional task. Then it will ask for farming and pool. Also click on skip, and then it will ask for liquidity task, and then also skip. And then it will ask if you perform Twitter promoter channel Telegram task. So you need to click on promoter channel and then join this group. After you join, click on I have joined. After you did this, you will it will ask for you to follow their Twitter account, follow their promoters Twitter account, and retweet task. Click and retweet. So click on this Twitter, open it, click on follow. I'm already following it. Then scroll down and search for fish swap. Click on like and retweet. After you like and retweet, just go back and just click on I have joined. Then you will be ready to go. This will show your as well. So you can just copy this and share with your friends if you want more earnings. If you don't want, then you can also avoid referring. Just join and you will get good earnings. So friends, our second airdrop is also finished. So joined. So just scroll up and you will see you can also do this. Join this airdrop. Mac and cheese currency. This may be a good airdrop, so you can join this. I will provide you separate video on this maybe. Now you just need to scroll up, and then our third airdrop is Stobox Exchange airdrop early access. You need to click on this Stobox Exchange link. Click on and then open it on any browser. After you open it, you just need to scroll down and click fill this registration form. Fill your first name, last name, country, email, and Ethereum wallet which you will get from Trust Wallet. So I will show you how to get Ethereum address. Open your Trust Wallet, then search for your Ethereum. This is Ethereum which is starting from 0x. This address, just copy this address starting from 0x, paste it here. Then provide your Telegram ID. My Telegram ID is @othersworld25 and Twitter ID as well. So you need, after you do all these things, you just need to take this I agree option and click on register, and this airdrop will also be done by you. So friends, these were all the 3 airdrops. I hope you liked this video. So please join all the 3 airdrops, and please don't miss the first the Zero Swap airdrop, Zero Protocol airdrop, Fish airdrop, and also the Stobox airdrop. Stobox airdrop is very legit, so you must join, all of you must join this Stobox airdrop. And also you can join check other airdrops as well. Join other airdrops because many of the airdrops may provide you good earnings. So please join every airdrop as well. And you can check other airdrops also, like Polar Protocol and other airdrops also in my Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, then please join it. I will provide you every best airdrop here, so that you can join them and earn huge money. And also you need to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share as well, so that I will feel good, motivated to make future videos about these great airdrops. Thank you.